This is happy coloring time.
The itsy bitsy birdie was looking at the ground. Whoosh went the wind and the tiny bird fell down. Out came the family to help their birdie friend. How will itsy bitsy birdie get back home again? The itsy bitsy birdie was scared as could be. Cheep, cheep, she called out for her family. Out came the kids to help their birdie friend. How will itsy bitsy birdie get back home again? Wow! The itsy bitsy birdie was wrapped up safe and sound. Cheep called her mama, seeing she'd been found. Out came the ladder to help their birdie friend. How will itsy bitsy birdie get back home again? The itsy bitsy birdie looked up at the tree. Up went Daddy, brave as can be. Out came Mama Bird to see her baby's friend. Oh, the itsy bitsy birdie's nearly home again. The itsy bitsy birdie was safely tucked away. Hooray! Cried the family and helped her on her way. Out came the row to help their birdie friend. The itsy bitsy birdie was safe at home again. The big brave Daddy turned to leave. Ladder went the ladder where his feet should be. Out came a
Yikes!
Can you guess what happened next?
Oh. Aha.
The big brave Daddy was safe at home again. Five little eggs were sitting in the nest on top of the tree and all at rest. Mama Bird saw them starting to crack, and soon all the eggs were hatched. The first baby bird looked down at the ground. He got scared and couldn't make a sound. Mama Bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird was too shy, shy, shy. The first baby bird got out of the nest. The next baby bird looked at the rest. Mama Bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Oh my, my, my." The second baby bird flew way up high. The next baby bird then gave a sigh. Mama Bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Too high, high, high." The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout. Mama Bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Oh, why, why, why?" The fourth baby bird went down to eat. The last baby bird gave a long, loud tweet. Mama Bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird wanted to cry, cry, cry. okay. You'll be alright, and there's a way. The little baby bird then started to sing and flew off, flapping his wings. All the baby birds with mother in the lead flew through the sky quite well indeed. Mama bird said, now fly, 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 and all the birds flew to the sky, sky, sky.
Thanks for coloring me.
Birdie was looking at the ground. Whoosh went the wind and out came the family.
See you next time, my little friends. Bye-bye!